Hi, I'm Aaron Antis with Shaw Homes, and I'm here with Joel David of J.David Jewelry. How are you doing, Joel?
Very good, thank you, Aaron.
Awesome. Well, we're partnering up with J.David Jewelry because at Shaw Homes, we feel like we not only have the best homes in Tulsa, Oklahoma, we also have the best warranty, the best locations, and the best people and process. And so we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. If you'll join us and come see all of our beautiful furnished and decorated model homes, which by the way are the most award-winning models in Tulsa, Oklahoma, if you'll come on our model home tour that takes about 90 minutes, we're going to give a free pearl necklace from J.David Jewelry to you. Why don't you tell them a little bit about that, Joel?
Aaron, this necklace, they're genuine pearls and they're individually hand knotted. It's a really quality necklace. And not just to partner with Shaw Homes, but the opportunity that your guests are going to have to get this beautiful piece of jewelry is a great opportunity.
It is. Thank you so much, Joel. And so if you'll just go to shawhomes.com, click on Free Pearl Necklace, and then pick your time that you'd like to go on the model home tour, you just come and join us and you're going to earn that free pearl necklace.